Hello, everyone. My name is Anthony Folkstead, and today we'll be analyzing news articles' accuracy on scientific topics. The two articles we have today are Sharks sleep even when both eyes are wide open, and Energy conservation characterizes sleep in sharks. The news article was written by Veronica Greenwood for the New York Times. It was first published on March 9th, 2022, and it was updated on March 10th of 2022. The relation between this news article and the major topics covered in Bio 182 is the topic of evolution. Specifically, this article related to the evolution of the draft sport shark and its sleeping habits. Here is a photo of a resting draft sport shark taken from Simon Fraser University. The news article starts off like most, with an interesting hook and introduction paragraph to get readers involved. To lead into the topic about the draft sport shark, the article discusses basic information about sharks as a species. The author then brings up sleep in the animal kingdom and in how it is not a well understood subject. In order to bring up the specifics about the draft sport shark, the article cites a scholarly source. They also included a statement from Dr. Radford, who helped to work on this scientific article. The statement was the following: They, referring to the draft sport sharks, are showing quite a drop of metabolic state when they are in sleep, comparing to when they are either in their alert state or tooling around the tank. The scholarly article, Energy Conservation Characterizes Sleep in Sharks, starts off with an abstract which discusses in little detail the introduction to the experiment, methods and materials, and the results that were found. It then goes on in great detail about all of those topics. The results of the experiment were that the eyes being open or closed were a bad indicator of whether or not a shark was sleeping, while posture and a low metabolic rate were better suited indicators. Here's a graph from the scholarly article itself, and you can see on the y-axis the residual MO2 levels in the sharks during different activities. There's a visible difference between the mean swimming levels and the mean sleep levels, which shows that the metabolic process is greatly slowed down during the sleep cycle for the draft sport shark, while the resting phase is kind of intermittently spread out and shows how the sharks don't really have the same sleep that humans have. News articles in general are known to clickbait and misinform or stretch out actual facts in order to get views and make money. Surprisingly enough, the news article was majorly accurate in explaining the content of the scholarly article. It provided direct evidence from the article as well as statements from the authors themselves in order to back up their claims. And although the title about sharks sleeping is kind of misleading because of the fact that our perception of sleep is very different than what goes on in a shark, it still gets the main points of the article across. The article obviously does not go into as much detail as the scientific article, leaving out major results and the discussion of these results. However, this is only to be expected of a news article, as the intended audience is not supposed to be a super scholarly audience. It is just the average person who is going about and reading their news. All in all, the news story reflected the scholarly article well and was a great way for the average consumer to become informed about an interesting topic in an understandable way. Here's the works cited. This is for the picture, this is the news article, and this one is the scholarly article. Thank you very much. Have a great day.